In this video, I am going to discuss how to insert math equations and symbols within the sentences. You can enter math mode with an opening and closing dollar sign. This can be used to write mathematical symbol within a sentence. For example, typing $1 plus 2 is equal to $3 produces 1 plus 2 equal to 3. If you want a displayed equation on its own line, use double dollar and the equations in between. So for example, double dollars 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Double dollar produces the equation in a separate line. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. For a number displayed equation, use slash begin equation and write the equation content and end with equations. For example, slash begin equation 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 slash end equation produces 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 1 dot 1. To write the equation in between the sentences, we can also use the command slash inbox your text here. This will be used to include short phrases in a formula. Here we are using mbox command. So if you are using the mbox command, the text will come with the aligned one. The before and after the text have equal spaces. So here the value of x is written as double dollar slash int underscore value is 0 and the power is 2 pi, then slash cos mx dx is equal to 0. Now the space is slash at space we are applying 1 centimeter and here also we are applying 1 centimeter. Now m box if and only if, then slash space 1 centimeter, then m not equal to 0. Then we are completing the double dollar. When we are applying like this, we will get the standard equations this way. We can use another way also. For that, just we are using dollar sign is equal to slash fraction and the equation is ending with the dollar signs. Wherever we want to write the mathematical symbol, we are using the dollar signs. In between, we are writing the math commands. So while writing with the dollar sign in between the sentences, we will get the output math output sentence display is like this. This is also one of the easiest way to write the math symbols in between the sentences. Thank you.